In this video, we will compare Docker versus Proxmox. Docker is a popular containerization platform that allows developers to package applications and their dependency into portable, lightweight containers. One of Docker's biggest advantages is its efficiency. It uses system resources far more effectively than traditional virtual machines, since containers shares the host OS rather than requiring the full OS per instance. This makes Docker ideal for running multiple isolated applications on a single host. Streaming both develop and development processes, Docker is also extremely portable. Containers can be built once and run anywhere, from a developer laptop to a production server in the cloud, with consistent results. Its ecosystem is robust, with the Docker Hub provide access to thousands of pre-built container images and tools like Docker Composite Simplify and more. However, Docker has its limitations. Since rely on the host OS, Docker works best with Linux-based systems, and while Windows support exists, it's more limited and sometimes can be very inconsistent. Security can also be a huge concern, especially for those using public images from the Docker Hub without proper validation. In terms of pricing, Docker offers a free tier that covers most personal and small projects. For teams and enterprises, Docker subscription plans start around $5 per user per month for Docker Personal and scale up to $24 per user per month for Docker Business, which includes features such as centralized management and SSO, as well as ease of use. Docker has a steep learning curve for many beginners, especially for those unfamiliar with command line tools, Linux, or any containerization concepts. Once it's understood, it's a powerful and efficient tool to integrate well. Proxmox. Proxmox Virtual Environment is an open source server management platform that combines KVM, virtualization, and LXC containers with a powerful web-based interface. It's a go-to solution for self-hosted system administrators and IT teams looking for a robust on-premises virtual solution. One of Proxmox's main strengths is its flexibility. You can run full virtual machines or lightweight Linux containers, making it suitable for both traditional infrastructure and modern container-based workloads. The web GUI makes Proxmox notably easier to manage than many other open-source hypervisors, allowing many users to monitor, create and manage containers without touching a command line. It also supports highly available clusters, backups and snapshots, and integrated firewall controls, all without third-party tools. However, one of the downsides of Proxmox is it's not lightweight as Docker, since the virtual machine requires more system resources and boots slower than a container. While it supports LXC containers, it lacks some of the developer-focused features that Docker does offer, such as seamless CD integration or automatic image virtualization. Also, Proxmox is open source and free to use. It does charge for access to the enterprise version, which provides stable updates and professional level support. The subscription starts at around $100 per month per person. Without a subscription, users can still receive updates through the community repo, though these will be less tested and may take longer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.